Fortinet NSE 440.7.2 NSE 4_FGT-7.2 Real exam questions are the best material for you to test your skills. 1. In which two ways can RPF checking be disabled? Choose 2. A. Enable anti-replay in firewall policy. B. Disable the RPF check at the FortiGate interface level for the source check. C. Enable asymmetric routing. D. Disable strict ARC check under system settings. 2. Which two attributes are required on a certificate so it can be used as a CA certificate on SSL Inspection? Choose 2. A. The keyUsage extension must be set to keyCertSign. B. The common name on the subject field must use a wildcard name. C. The issuer must be a public CA. D. The CA extension must be set to true. 3. Which CLI command allows administrators to troubleshoot Layer 2 issues, such as an IP address conflict? A. Get system status. B. Get system performance status. C. Diagnose SYS top. D. Get system ARP. 4. What is the limitation of using a URL list and application control on the same firewall policy, in NGFW policy-based mode? A. It limits the scope of application control to the browser-based technology category only. B. It limits the scope of application control to scan application traffic based on application category only. C. It limits the scope of application control to scan application traffic using parent signatures only. D. It limits the scope of application control to scan application traffic on DNS protocol only. 5. A network administrator is configuring a new IPsec VPN tunnel on FortiGate. The remote peer IP address is dynamic. In addition, the remote peer does not support a dynamic DNS update service. What type of remote gateway should the administrator configure on FortiGate for the new IPsec VPN tunnel to work? A. Static IP address. B. Dialup user. C. Dynamic DNS. D. Pre-shared key. 6. Examine this pack file configuration. Which of the following statements are true? Choose 2. A. Browsers can be configured to retrieve this pack file from the FortiGate. B. Any web request to the 172.25, 120.0, 24 subnet is allowed to bypass the proxy. C. All requests not made to Fortinet.com or the 172.25, 120.0, 24 subnet have to go through altproxy.corp.com. 8060. D. Any web request Fortinet.com is allowed to bypass the proxy. 7. Which two statements are true when FortiGate is in transparent mode? Choose 2. A. By default, all interfaces are part of the same broadcast domain. B. The existing network IP schema must be changed when installing a transparent mode. C. Static routes are required to allow traffic to the next hop. D. FortiGate forwards frames without changing the MAC address. 8. An administrator is running the following sniffer command. Which 3 pieces of information will be included in me sniffer output? Choose 3. A. Interface name. B. packet payload, C. Ethernet header, D. IP header, E. Application header. 9. An administrator does not want to report the logon events of service accounts to FortiGate. What setting on the collector agent is required to achieve this? A. Add the support of NTLM authentication. B. Add user accounts to Active Directory, AD. C. Add user accounts to the FortiGate group fitter. D. Add user accounts to the Ignore user list. 10. Which statement about video filtering on FortiGate is true? A. Full SSL inspection is not required. B. It is available only on a proxy-based firewall policy. C. It inspects video files hosted on file-sharing services. D. Video filtering FortiGuard categories are based on web filter FortiGuard categories.